Hi, thanks so much for joining me today on my Reverse Mortgage Radio blog. My name is Bruce Simmons, and today we're going to be talking about interest rates. We're going to be very brief today, but if you want to learn more about interest rates, please visit my website at reversemortgageradio.net. reversemortgageradio.net. In the upper right-hand corner, you can click on Reverse Mortgage Radio Show, and you can listen to 30 minutes of my program, my podcast, from both July and August, where I talk about interest rates, so you can get your fill there. Today we're going to keep it brief and talk just about, there's 3 different interest rate options with reverse mortgages. There's an annually adjusted rate, a monthly adjusted rate, and a fixed rate. Okay, we're not going to talk about the fixed rate or the monthly adjustable rate today because those are not very popular. Mainly the fixed rate, everybody says they want a fixed rate, but the problem with that is the government limits the amount of money that a customer can pull out up front with a reverse mortgage fixed rate loan. And the problem is the fixed rate requires you to take all the money up front. But if the government limits the amount you can get, you're not really maximizing the amount you can pull out. Plus, since you have to take it all at once, you're charged interest from day one. So that's not a good option for people. Also, lastly, the interest rates on adjustable rate loans are lower, so you get more money. And we're going to talk about that, the reason for that. With the adjustable interest rates, and today specifically, we're going to talk about the annually adjustable rate. This rate can change one time per year, a maximum of 2 percentage points per year, and 5% over the life of the loan. If you're starting out at 3.5%, the worst the rate can ever get to is 8.5%. It can never change by more than 2% per year though. But actually, the main thing people don't understand about reverse mortgages, the adjustable rate, is that there's 2 different interest rates. There's something called the initial rate, which is a short-term interest rate. In this case, the 1-year LIBOR is what it's based on, the London Interbank Offered Rate. The expected rate is the long-term rate. That's a 10-year LIBOR that's based on. We base the amount somebody can receive on the expected rate because that's the long-term rate. The initial rate is the rate that people are actually charged once the loan goes into effect. So this is the rate we look at after the loan closes, and the expected rate is the rate we concern ourselves with before the loan closes. Down here you can see as the expected rate goes up, the amount of money that somebody can get from a reverse mortgage goes down, and vice versa. If the interest rate goes down on the expected rate, then the amount of money they can get goes up. The reason for this is that we're looking 10 years down the road. If we think the interest rates are going to go up 10 years down the road, we're going to offer less money today on the loan because interest accumulates with a reverse mortgage. And if we think it's going to accumulate at a higher rate, that means your loan balance will grow at a faster pace, meaning that you'll owe more money. So we're going to limit the risk by reducing the amount of money we can loan. Conversely, if the rates are expected to be lower down the road, we can offer more money up front. And today is the best time ever because rates are low. They're almost record lows right now. And as the rate goes down, the amount of money that somebody can get from a reverse mortgage goes up. Now is a great time to do a reverse mortgage because values are still high and rates are incredibly low right now, the expected rate especially. And that's the key one we want to look at that drives the amount of money somebody can get. Please feel free to call me with any questions. This is complex and I narrowed it down to just a couple minute video here. So my number is 303-467-7821. My name is Bruce Simmons. I'm the Reverse Mortgage Manager with American Liberty Mortgage. Please visit my website as well at reversemortgageradio.net. Thanks so much for joining me today. Look forward to talking to you.